Hey, I'm Rich Matthai with Full Scale AV, Prosocoustic, and I'm here today to talk to you about the Prosocoustic Wave Series panels. As you can see here, these are our Wave Series panels. The Wave Series combine absorption and diffusion together. We put diffusion on the back, absorption in the front, and fabric to make it look pretty. We compression mold these in a mold so all of them are the exact same. When we mold them, we go ahead and put the machine screw inserts in there so there's no guesswork for mounting, and you can see the diffusion pattern. Now the benefit to adding diffusion on the back is when the sound goes in, it diffuses it before it comes out, and because of that it also extends the return path, so the 1 inch insulation in here is now acting like a 2 to 3 inch insulation, so enhancing the effectiveness of the acoustics. And if you come right over here, there are more benefits to that. As you can see on this panel on the table, the machine screw inserts, there's no guesswork when it's time to mounting. There's just put the screws in the holes where they are. It's a single 18-inch clip, so there's no 2 clips to worry about leveling. And the same clip for the wall side. Just mount that on the wall and hook it on. As I mentioned with the full-size panels, we put the machine screws in the top and the bottom, so you can mount them on the ceiling if you want to, or on a slope. And also it's a standard screw size, 10 by 24, so if you want to use it as a cloud, you can just screw in an eye bolt and hang it from wires. And there you go. We also do some nice high-res printing options on our panels. Printed in Nashville, Tennessee. Customer provided photos, anything you want, you can do. You don't have to print the same photo in multiples. You can print multiple photos in the same run. And also, we don't use any glues or adhesives in our panels. We use what's called a screen spline insert. It's a very common piece used to put screen in a screen door, so you can find it at any local hardware store. And this allows you to change the fabric. So if you don't want the same color for forever, or you want to change your picture, you can do that at your leisure. I'm just going to go back to our regular fabric here, put our sewn corners in place. Our insulation material we use is rock wool. We don't use foam or fiberglass. It's more effective, it's healthier, safe to handle, and much greener. It's actually upcycled from slag steel and basalt industries, trying to keep the world a healthier place. So as you see, just put the corners in there, grab my screen spline and my screen spline tool, and just push it in all the way around. And now I've got a brand new panel of a different color. And I can update this as I want, change the picture for whoever's coming in. Think houses of worship, restaurants, put products on there, and there you go. You've got a brand new panel. I would just trim that off for the rest of it, and there's the finished product. If you do the high-res print image, you not only receive your print fabric, you receive a standard color fabric as well. And since it's a premium product, we'll go ahead and sew that screen spline right into the fabric for you, which makes it even easier. Now I did mention that we do use rock wool, so the insulation is safe to handle, but as you can see, I'm turning it over as I go and just hooking the corners on, so I'm not really touching the insulation if I don't want to. So if you're like me and you have some qualms about being extra safe, you can be. No worries. See, it's that simple. It's even easier with the printer. That's it. I've got a finished panel. Prosocoustic.